Hello everyone, I'm Nikita from Adelaide PT Study Center. I've got another success story. I've got Ritu with me who has given her exam and have got her desired scores finally. She has scored 69 overall. Many congratulations to you, Ritu.
Thank you very much for that.
No worries, Ritu. So can you please let us know your individual scores? How much did you score in reading,
Yeah,
listening?
actually, I got in listening is 71, reading 66, speaking 74, and writing 70, overall 69.
Overall 69.
At least it's band 7.
That's what we needed. That's what we needed. And we were struggling for that as well, but we have got it finally. So, Ritu, as we have got it, definitely as we have got the success, so there's something behind the success as well. So, what's your story behind the success?
Actually, really, I was really depressed. I gave before as well, but I didn't get my desired score. When I used to work at home, I feel like I'm doing the best way. I'm doing right. I will get it, but I was wrong. I came here. I got feedback from you and Pallavi man and the way how you have guided me and the shortcut as well before the exam tips and that IVA plus and the main for improve my PTs that repeat centers I cloud that really helped me. It was really helpful. So I think it was everybody have to be here and to get some tips and tricks before going to for the exams.
No worries, dear. So let's sum it up. So Ritu was trying to say like she has used PT Audio Cloud that we
Yeah.
have it in our PT portals.
Yeah.
It has almost 1886 questions from which students can practice repeat sentences and write from dictation both. And then she used iVas Plus for her mock tests and to practice,
Yeah.
wherein we used to get feedback as well from the instructors. I still remember that Ritu was the one who actually we met her at the end of these days. She used to every time have online consultations, and she was the one who actually followed up our all Facebook live sessions. You can just see if you want to. Every single Facebook live session is liked by Ritu, and she used to mention if she liked any session as well. And we're really thankful for that as well.
No. Actually, I was very scared of reading. I feel like I was not able to do it, but that weekly demo session it was really helpful. In exam I feel like when I received the question I don't know anything. It was like a blind, but I used the tips and techniques like how you guys told me how to analyze the noun verb, and that's really helpful actually.
Oh,
It
that's
was like
nice.
but still it was really helpful. That weekly demo session was really good.
So even if our demo series, like weekend demo series, is useful for one student, we are also very thankful for that because ultimately it is changing your scores as well.
Yeah, that's really boost my score actually.
So Ritu used to follow our weekend demo series as well. So we used to make it every Saturday and Sunday, and she used to follow that. And she actually did her level best and tried her level best to get this done.
Yeah, I did, but for me actually, you guys have did more.
Yes. So
Seriously.
it's ultimately like a combination of a teacher and student relationship which got her to get her desired scores. And we are actually more happier than her because we were scared and we were worried about her exam.
No, actually, I lose my hope totally with you guys. How you encourage me, how you told me. I follow your tips and tips, but finally, look, I'm here and thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Actually,
You're most welcome, dear. I still remember, like, Nikita, I'm struggling with retail lecture note taking. Nikita, I don't know how do I do it.
Yeah.
Pallavi, ma'am, please help me with this. And she met us on Friday, right?
Yeah.
We had a quick chat on Friday because she had her exam next day, the very next day. And when when Pallavi showed me the scores, we all were so happy. Me, Sajid, Aisha, Kazi, everyone sitting here. So, what would you like to talk about a technical team? Like, did they help you with any sort of iOS plus mock tests, or whenever you had any problem, did they respond to you?
Yeah, it was very helpful. Whenever I got stuck, like sometimes it's not working, I just send text and it was quickly, it's a very
Resolved.
fast. Yeah, it's technical issue, no problem at all. Yeah, I really didn't face any problems, and iOS Plus is the best to practice as well.
So, a last thing, Ritu. So, if there is someone like you who is shy, who has lose their hope, or they don't want to do PT anymore, what is the message that you would like to give them?
Yeah, I would like to give them join online session so don't have to come here, so you can organize your work time everything. And there is a recording as well. If you don't have time to join the class or anything, you can watch the record and recall the things how you can crack
Yes.
this PT exam. So I highly recommend everybody to join LPT Center at level 14. So you will not lose your
She's
hope.
also mentioned our level as well. So we are located on the last level of 90 King William
Yeah,
Street.
because LPT Center, my friends used to say like, where to go, like which level? There are lots of
Levels in
yeah,
there.
That's
Yeah,
right.
so especially guys, level 14,
Yeah.
where we are located. So Ritu is the one who actually made use of all the services that we provided. She followed up like our online sessions, our consultations, feedbacks, and not even this, she also followed up on our Facebook live sessions. Along with that, the weekend demo series as well.
Yeah, because anyhow I have to do it. I have to get my guitar in school, so that's why
She just tried to grab everything,
everything.
and the fear of filling the blanks was removed from her
Yeah.
heart just because of those weekend demo series.
That's really helpful, really great.
No worries, Ritu. Thank you so much, Ritu. Thank you so much for your kind words, and we wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you very much for your help.
Thank you.
Thank you.